Hey, hello, how are you? This is Mailchimp dashboard, and I will make a welcome campaign for Shopify website. So let me show you how to make it. So I will make it with old classic editor. I like it. So this is the classic editor. You can see welcome new subscribers. So this is the welcome campaign setup. Okay, so this is the welcome campaign name. This is the website name, and I should add this mail address for sending it. Let me update it. Okay, then okay. So let me check the template design. So let me set up. So this is the subject line. Thanks for subscribing. Get 10% off. And this is the mail address I need. Then click next. So we already selected the template, and that template something look like this. So this is the pre-header. Here you can see in person of today option, and this is the header word, logo and menu. This is the banner word. This is some text and coupon code section, and this is the special coupon section, in person coupon. Here it came from the Shopify coupon. Here this is the Shopify product. They are dynamic, and this is the social media link here. So the template is ready. So let me view it on desktop version. Let me also check it on mobile version here. This is the menu. Yeah, quite all right. This is the header part. This is the coupon part here, and all looks good for me. Yeah, all good. So so let me take a screenshot for prove my work here. Yeah, it's all right now. So let me activate the campaign here. Okay, so and show you the trigger. The trigger will be immediately, and also trigger when subscribers are imported. This also should activate it. If anybody add manually, they will also get this welcome mail. So let me activate this campaign. All are good. So let me activate. Great. So it's activated. So you can see this is activated. So I hope you this video will help you for understanding the Mailchimp campaign setup. Thanks, and please subscribe my channel.